Hello guys, this is Al. Today we wanted to, with my wife Victoria that is recording the video for me, and we wanted to actually to prepare the rice. I wanted to prepare the rice in Persian culture, which basically we have two kind of rice. One kind of the rice is that you don't rinse the water, you keep the water inside. Basically, they say that you reserve vitamin B of the rice in that, which we call it kate, which rice comes very soft. And another version that I wanted to prepare for you, the rice, you should rinse the water and it comes a little bit crunchy, which we call it tadik, some crunchy part under the rice. Therefore, as my wife shows, first I washed my rice one round and then put the water in a way that is a little bit over the fingertip nail, that you put it in the water. Therefore, this is enough. And then you can put it in the high.
But how do I know how much rice for finger?
Oh, okay, depends on the quantity of the rice. Whatever you put, for example, for 4-person, I use this 1 cup measuring cup. Therefore, I put 2 of this measuring cup, in this. And doesn't matter, as long as you add the water and it goes beyond your nail of your fingertip, that is enough. That is how you measure, no matter how many cups you put in the rice. Therefore, you put it high until it start boiling. And then there's a procedure that you see, that when you look at the rice, you should be looking at some homogeneous, like cracks in the body of the rice, which right now we don't have it. You see the rice changing to the white a little bit. It means it's like half cooked. And also you will see like even cracks on the body of the rice. Therefore, after a couple minutes, you can like stir it for 1 or 2, that heat goes homogeneously in the rice, and then you can every like a minute or 30 seconds you should look at that. You see that cracks and the hot water turn the rice to the white kind of color of the rice. Then in our culture, basically, since rice has very cold nature, which basically you wanted to make a fire for your digestive system, we add like a zeresh or dried berry that you can still buy it from Amazon. And this is dried dill.
I believe that was elderberry.
That is elderberry?
Elderberry.
Elderberry. And this is also saffron that I grinded, that when you wanted to serve it, actually you can had a really nice demonstration on your rice, makes it everything red and orangish. And this is the water with the olive oil that I prepared. Then when we rinse the water and we make sure when we dump the water in a strainer, you can go back and also use this water. And we wanted to stop here the video. Then we're gonna come back when we got to the point that we wanted to do everything here. Thank you.